So I got it to work. This is running in code, and I can search the documentation for tutorial, and it finds these local things and gives you a, well, it should give you a preview. Which you can then preview, and then you get this. And for example, if you wanted to look at this, you could preview it. And you get that little section. And if you go up to this window, you've got the source code in LaTeX. So you can see what they had to type. In order to produce these things. So if we go back, now this was full.en, documentation tutorial full.en. I suppose it's possible that that was generated. But anyway, you can at least, while you're working on something, it seems that you can preview it and actually use it. So this is a completely live version. So it works. It kind of, yeah. It's doing my head in a bit, but it kind of works. But now the question is whether, having played around with it a bit, all I did was open code, and I opened my directory with Control-K, Control-O. I opened my test.tech directory. I opened this is my directory. I don't know how do you find out what directory this actually is that you're looking at? Well, whatever, it's tech test is my, I just use this to write hello world programs to try stuff out. And it asks you this every time. Trust the authors of all files in the parent folder. That's my home directory. I don't get this. Why doesn't it offer me the chance to trust the authors of files in this folder? Why must I give the trust to absolutely anything I might download anywhere from anything? This is Microsoft doing this. Is that your idea of how a secure computer system would work? I mean, who came up with this? What genius thought this up? The authors of what? I'm presuming it's this folder. And this is actually, because this uses the category theory, this uses Python code to generate diagrams in tech. But actually all I want is this. And now STeX has got a little thing here saying it's initializing RustTech. Now the question is, will this finish and will this work? Because last time when I tried reopening a folder I'd opened before, it just went AWOL. So there's STeX now. Oh, it's worked. It's okay. So this is the thing. Bye. Domestic interaction. This is a remote folder, so you can download Florian Rob's stuff, or this. That's how the sharing works. Oh man, so this is called Math Archive, so this is like a global archive of math. Michael's stuff. Talks. And this thing is so complicated, it's not true. You get lost. Code, they unleashed pack of hounds on it, and they've built these structures that you can just see the structure architects have been at work making it do stuff, and everybody, because we have this problem with humanity in general that we can't actually talk about shit before we do it. They make these concretions and then they live forever. You know, like tech. That's not what this project is about. This whole STeX project is about starting at the other end. But the problem is it's got to be bootstrapped somehow, and they're bootstrapping it on concrete tools. But really, we want to get away from operating systems and editors and viewers and all of this stuff completely. Those again are concrete things which people have built to solve problems, but that's not abstraction, that's going the other way. Man. But anyway, at least it does seem to work. I can now open it again, but I don't know if I could ever... I still don't know where this book, I was hoping to use it for a collaboratively authored book on standard ML programming and using functors to prove things in category theory. I still can't see how to connect it in, but I'll make another video if I ever do see that. In the meantime, it's good that it works, and I'll just keep trying.